Imagine you're a restoration company responding to a kitchen fire loss. While the kitchen and other damaged areas of the home are being remediated by your company for fire, water, and smoke damage, you may take some of the homeowner's valuable belongings back to your office for storage, where they will be kept until the restoration of the home is complete. You have now entered into a bailment relationship with the homeowner, and therefore you are strictly liable for their property while it is in your care. You will be held responsible for any damage or loss to that property, even if the damage or loss was not your fault. Some jobs can turn bad for contractors. Broken collectibles, scratched antiques, and damaged priceless glass items. Why take the risk? Let Orange County's #1 contents restoration specialist handle the contents restoration issues for you. We are trusted with the inventory and tracking of some of the biggest, most important jobs in our state, because that's what we do best.